We'll guide you through how to turn an iPhone screen black and white. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having your iPhone screen in black and white has got so many different benefits. For me, I find it a lot less distracting, as so many ads and different things out there always trying to go and grab your attention, so having it in black and white can go and keep you more focused. We're going to guide you through how this can be done, and we'll also guide you through how you can go and make it so you can press a button to go and activate the black and white mode, and also how to get back to the normal color mode. Because that can be nice, because sometimes if you're watching a video or looking at a photo, being able to go back to the normal color mode easily is really convenient. So let's go and get right into this. First of all, you need to go and open up the settings app on your iPhone. You'll find that on the main screen here. Open it up. Next, you want to go down and we're looking for the option for accessibility. If you struggle to find it, you can use the search function at the bottom. Go and open it up. Next, you want to go down in this vision section and find the option for display and text size, and you can go and tap there. Next in here, you need to go and scroll down, and the option we're looking for is color filters. So go and tap there, and in color filters, switch this on. Now what you want to do is you want to go and select grayscale, like so. Make sure the intensity is all the way turned up as well, and that's it. As you can see, it's now in black and white. If you want to go make the shortcut for this, you want to come back, and you want to go and find action button. Then you want to go and swipe across until you go and find accessibility. Press choose a feature and press color filters. Now if I go and tap and hold it, you'll go and see it turns it on and off.